Hiya. So today we're going to work through an exercise called scissors. So now we're starting to progress and actually really start to work the deep spinal stabilising muscles. So let's get ourselves into our start position. So knees bent, feet hip width apart, neutral spine, nice and level through the pelvis, activate that pelvic floor, open the chest, lengthen through head and neck. Awesome. So we're going to work through scissors from double tabletop, and then I'll show you a slightly easier variation. So I'm going to show you the exercise first, then I'm going to work through some muscle isolations that I like to get our riders doing. So we're really working the muscles that we'll use typically when riding. And then I'll obviously go through the kind of benefits of those. All right, so we're going to take a nice deep breath in. Exhale, bring your right leg up into tabletop. Inhale, hold. Exhale, second leg into tabletop. Now just make sure you're tucking that tailbone, rib cage is nice and soft. Okay, nice deep breath in. As you breathe out, tap your right toe down towards the floor and inhale back up. So really gently tap the toe down. Exhale, left toe down and inhale up. And just work through that slowly. So keep the knee completely still, hats, only bending through the hips. So let me just guide you into that. So this is our start position, okay? Don't move through the knee. Tap the toe down, lovely, and then back up again. So if you drop the heel to your bum, that makes it quite easy, doesn't it? Yeah. So try and keep the knee at that 90-degree angle, okay? So just have a rest, all right? Yeah. Take time. Okay, get yourself back into your start position for me. All right, nice deep breath in. Exhale, first leg up into tabletop. Inhale, hold. Exhale, second leg into tabletop. And then inhale, prepare. Exhale, lower that right leg down, keep the knee open. And inhale, back up. Exhale, other leg down. Good, much better. And inhale up. Okay, and hug your knees up into your chest and have a nice stretch. Just relax your head, neck and shoulders down. Hug your knees up. Good, and just stretch out those spinal muscles. All right? Okay, so I think a little bit difficult. Yeah? Did you find that quite tricky?
It was okay.
It was okay. Okay, right, that's fine. So what we were doing was losing neutral spine a little bit. So I'm going to show you an easier variation, okay? Because it's so important that you can maintain neutral spine and your back doesn't arch away from the mat. Otherwise, all that happens is you're going to load your spinal joints, which isn't good. You're going to get overactive through your spinal muscles again, which isn't desirable. And you're not going to be working the abdominal muscles, which are the muscles that we really want to work. Okay, so I'm going to give you an easier variation. So bend both knees, you're in your start position. Slightly more. Perfect. You've got your tray of drinks on your pelvis.
Yeah.
You don't want to move those, okay? This is just a leg movement.
Yeah.
So the easier variation is this is your start position. So you don't come into that double tabletop start position. So with this one, all you're going to do, okay, I'll talk you through the breathing in a minute, is come up into tabletop and then back down.
Yeah.
Okay, and the other one up into tabletop and back down.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
So nice deep breath in to prepare. Exhale, first leg comes up into that tabletop and then inhale back down. Exhale, second leg up and inhale back down. So keep working through that, but just pop a hand on either side of the pelvis. Now, no movement of the pelvis. Imagine there's a tray of drinks, much better. And you don't want to spill the drinks. Good. And one more. And this time you're going to hold it there for me. So just breathe normally. Okay. So when you're up in this position, I want you to tuck your tailbone. Good. Slide the rib cage down. So imagine there's that spring. Keep the right side of the pelvis to the ceiling. So this is the side that's doing the work. Right side of the pelvis stays up. So you're using your right corset. So you've got control of the side-to-side tilting of the pelvis. Tuck the tailbone again. And then lower that leg back down. Okay, so we'll just do it once more. This side, hold. Tuck the tailbone for lower tummy muscles. Rib cage down for upper tummy muscles. Well done. Left side of the pelvis to the ceiling. Left corset. Good. And back down. Awesome. So those are the isolations. We tuck tailbone for the lower tummy muscles. Rib cage down for upper tummy muscles. And always keep the pelvis level. So you've got to lift the kind of challenge side, the side of the pelvis that's doing most of the work. It's very tempting to drop it to the floor, lift it to the ceiling, use the corset muscles, and that really transfers to our riding. When we're riding and we're having to weight bear equally through both sitting bones, we've got to have the control through those corset muscles to keep the pelvis level, okay? So that's scissors. You can make it more difficult by straightening the legs. I'm not gonna get Hattie to do that, but that would be the progression. Of course, this exercise may not be appropriate for you, so if you do have any questions, please feel free to send me a message either via the Chaps Physio Facebook page or Instagram page. Please feel free to give it a go. Film yourself, post it on social media. Make sure you tag Chaps Physio and of course #Team Chaps. Thank you very much.